think I got everything, and we're going GoPro hunting.
Yeah.
You know about where that thing was at?
Yeah. Right there where the trail breaks off towards the campsite.
Yep. That's it.
Yeah, that's the one where we found the tripod.
It is lower too. This already sunk in.
Honestly, I think what we need to do is run through hard and dredge these holes. Let's just ride through and not hit the pits. Kind of try to stay on the high ground and look through the pits, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Hey, Andy.
Yo.
Let's start working the mud holes on our way back to that spot.
Try and churn up a little bit.
Churn it up and see if we can kick anything up. I'm gonna try and retrace my steps and see if I can find it. All right, so let's give that a try. Hop on your bike, we'll ride up to the next hole and I'll smash that one too and see if anything surfaces. I'm in two-wheel drive. I'm gonna fucking sling the poo out of this hole.
Am I out of your way?
Well, I'm just telling you to get somewhere where you're not gonna get poo slung all over you.
I was just thinking that myself. You got me, bitch.
Did I get you?
Oh yeah.
My bad. I got me too, if it makes you feel any better. Okay, next hole.
I mean, you got, man, there was what, 6 of us riding through here?
Yeah. So it got pushed down into the muck good and hard.
Man, that thing sounds awesome.
All right, well, let's go ride. We're here, we might as well have some fun. Where are we going?
I don't know.
More mud, more climbing.
I don't know, you wanna go hit a pit? We can go check out the seg. Maybe it went down a little bit.
I doubt it, but let's go check. Let's go look.
Baby, I am born to run, and I don't belong to wait.
Now I bet we can get through that.
I don't know where it goes.
It goes around the skeg pit, or we can go up the trail this way.
Yeah, you might even, I'm not even sure where we want to go through that.
I think we can cut through it right here, but we gotta hit it with some steam.
Through there?
Through, yeah, right here.
Keep on that edge, we'll probably be okay.
I don't know, we're about to find out. Hopefully I get through it and I can pull you out from the other side if you get stuck.
Hey, I don't think neither one of us is gonna get stuck, truthfully.
We're about to find out. Trying to run me over.
I wasn't on purpose.
I barely got out of the way of that.
That son of a bitch threw me over.
We went the wrong way. Where were we going? To the climbing over here.
Oh, to the pit?
Yeah. We got a wide trail here.
Have we been up? We ain't been up that way.
No, we haven't been up any of these. You want to try that one out?
I don't see why not.
Do it. That's a hell of a hole. peasy. Like nothing.
A good video. So you gonna go up that?
Yeah, I'm gonna go up this one right here.
Okay, let me get up to the top.
Nothing. Like nothing.
Tomorrow comes, you know I'll be gone. Yeah, I'll be gone. Yeah, I'll be gone. Down in another race. You tell what you want, writing all the haze. Put your hand in my hand in between my thighs. Let the sun go down in another race.
You don't think there's another way down for me over there somewhere?
If you can get down to here, there's the track out there. But I mean, if you want, I'll take your bike down that. Andy, you want me to take your bike down it?
Yeah.
All right, I'm coming.
Russ, helping a brother out on a trail that is a little shaky for Andy. Russ gonna make it fucking look easy. God damn, he's such a fucking master. Look at that! Look at him!
Let's go find some open trail.
I gotta be careful there, that's Andy's post. They're close to it, I think that might have been it.
No, that's the
It
one
was
further
farther
down
one
is
up,
Andy's
yeah, that
post.
motherfucker.
Hey, look, a tree I haven't climbed yet. Let's go remedy that.
Looks pretty nasty. Oh! Careful, man, don't tear up an axle, Russ.
This is a pretty good pit here, too.
Yeah, we'll go back and cool off a little bit, get a drink.
Yeah. Tell me you got that.
Huh?
Tell me you got that.
I think so.
So that one there is no-go.
That's a no-go.
Ready?
I think. It ain't a no-go no more.
I skimmed right over the top of it. I didn't hit the bottom of that hole until I was climbing out the other side.
I wonder how come it's the other way. It's got a big dip in that other going that way, don't it?
We're about to find out. Run another
Here,
one. Going that way.
you're going that way?
Going that way. I've been through it twice going this way. Now we're going to try out the other side.
Damn. Dang it! Shit, man, I cut the video off.
Well, then I guess we gotta do it again.
Motherfucker ain't no go no more.
Nope, that's the go hole now.
That's the first one I've seen make it through.
That is the fucking go hole
And
now.
it took you 3 times to do it.
I just had to learn how to hit it.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
Come on, give me a hand. You got that too, didn't you?
I hope so.
Woo! Hell yeah! When the
Emojis
no-go
of-
hole bites back, man.
Huh?
When the no-go hole bites back, holy shit. I'm gonna take that as our signal to go home.
You know what? I'm okay with that.
Since it's not the no-go hole anymore, we gotta give it a new name. That's the go big or go home.
Russ's hole.
Russ's side hole?
Russ's side hoe.
Yeah, I don't know. I think my wife might take up a grievance with that.